Welcome back to List 'Em Out AI. Today, we're plunging into the abyss to explore some of the most mysterious and elusive creatures that roam the depths of our oceans. Let's dive in. Number 1. Giant squid Architeuthis ducks. The giant squid remains one of the ocean's most compelling mysteries, largely because it is rarely seen by humans. Its enormous size, with tentacles capable of reaching up to 43 feet, is not just for show. These limbs are equipped with hundreds of suction cups lined with sharp, tooth-like structures that help the squid grip and bring food to its sharp beak. Despite its formidable appearance, the giant squid is preyed upon by deep-diving sperm whales, evidenced by sucker marks found on whale skins. Scientifically significant, the first images of a live giant squid in its natural habitat were only captured in 2004, showing how much remains to be discovered about this colossal creature. Number 2. Vampire squid, Vampiroteuthis infernalis. The vampire squid inhabits the oxygen-minimal depths of tropical and temperate oceans, an environment hostile to most other forms of life. It employs a unique survival strategy called pineapple posture, where it inverts its cape-like webbing over its body, exposing spiny projections to deter predators. Despite its fearsome name and appearance, the vampire squid is actually a detritivore. It consumes dead organic material that falls from the upper layers of the ocean, known as marine snow. This adaptation allows it to thrive in the deep sea's low oxygen layers where few predators exist, using bioluminescent organs to create disorienting light shows that confuse potential threats or lure in the curious. Number 3. Goblin shark, Mitsukurina ostoni. This rare shark is notable for its distinctive alien-like appearance, particularly its protruding snout that is highly sensitive to electric fields produced by other sea creatures. This electroreception allows the goblin shark to detect prey in the pitch-black depths it inhabits. Its jaw is another marvel of nature. It can be extended out of its mouth at high speed to snatch squid, fish, and crustaceans. The goblin shark's pink coloration comes from visible blood vessels under a semi-transparent skin, which provides camouflage in its deep, dark home. Number 4. Anglerfish, Lophiiformes. The anglerfish is a master of disguise and predation. The females possess a bioluminescent lure that dangles in front of their mouths, mimicking the appearance of small prey to attract larger predators. When a fish comes close enough, the anglerfish's enormous mouth and flexible body allow it to swallow prey up to twice its own size. Remarkably, reproduction in anglerfish involves a bizarre form of parasitism by the much smaller male, who permanently attaches to the female and eventually fuses with her body, sharing her bloodstream in exchange for fertilizing her eggs. Number 5. Colossal squid, Mesonicoteuthis hamiltoni. The colossal squid is not just larger than the giant squid, it is also more robust and aggressive. It dwells in the deep, cold Antarctic waters, preying on large fish and battling sperm whales. Its limbs are equipped with swiveling hooks, and its tentacles with triple-rowed suckers, making it a formidable predator capable of catching and holding onto slippery large prey. The colossal squid's eyes, estimated to be up to 30 centimeters, about 12 inches in diameter, are the largest of any known creature on Earth, allowing it to see in the minimal light of the deep ocean. Number 6. Barrel-eye fish, Macropinna microstoma. The barrel-eye fish is one of the most extraordinary creatures of the deep, known for its completely transparent, fluid-filled head and highly sensitive barrel-shaped eyes which are capable of rotating within its skull. This peculiar adaptation allows the barrel eye to look upward through its transparent dome to find silhouettes of prey against the faint light from above. Its eyes are generally directed upwards, but they can also be oriented forward to spot food directly in front of it. This unique fish lives in deep waters, often more than 2,000 feet below the surface, where light is scarce. Number 7. Dumbo octopus, Grimpoteuthis. Dumbo octopuses inhabit extreme depths of up to 13,000 feet, making them one of the deepest living octopus species. Their name comes from their resemblance to the title character of Disney's Dumbo, owing to their ear-like fins which they use to hover and gently propel through the water. Unlike most octopuses, Dumbo octopuses do not have ink sacs, as the deep-sea environment provides few predators from which they need to hide. They feed on worms, bivalves, and crustaceans on the ocean floor, swallowing their prey whole. Number 8. blobfish, Cycrolutes marcedus. The blobfish has gained notoriety for its gelatinous appearance when brought above water. This unique gelatinous structure is perfectly adapted to the high-pressure, low-temperature environments of the deep sea, typically around 2,000 to 3,900 feet deep. In its natural habitat, the blobfish's density is slightly less than water, allowing it to float above the seafloor without expending energy swimming. Its diet likely consists of slow-moving, soft-bodied benthic creatures, which it swallows whole as it drifts along. Number 9. Frilled shark, Chlamydocelicus sanguineus. The frilled shark is a true throwback to prehistoric times, often described as a living fossil because of its primitive features, like a dark, eel-like body and a jaw that is lined with 25 rows of backward-facing trident-shaped teeth, 300 in total. This shark captures its prey by bending its body and lunging forward like a snake while swallowing its prey whole. Found typically at depths of over 5,000 feet, the frilled shark's diet consists mainly of squid, although it also eats fish and other sharks. Number 10. Hydrothermal vent creatures. Creatures around hydrothermal vents thrive in conditions that are toxic to most other forms of life. These ecosystems are found in areas where seawater meets magma, creating superheated mineral-rich environments. Unique species like the yeti crab use their hairy claws to cultivate bacteria, which they feed on. Meanwhile, the Pompeii worm can withstand the hottest temperatures of any known marine animal, living in tubes near vent openings where temperatures can reach up to 176 degrees. These extremophiles not only survive, but thrive in conditions that include darkness, immense pressure, and temperatures that would be lethal to most other organisms. Thank you for joining us on this deep-sea adventure. I hope you're leaving with a newfound appreciation for the incredible creatures that lurk in the ocean's depths. If you enjoyed our journey into the unknown, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and share it with your fellow ocean enthusiasts. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and as always, thanks for watching List M Out AI. Safe travels!